सल्लू अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद.
The non-political movement for the propagation of Quran and Sunnah. Dawud Islami's publication department, Maktabatul Madina, now presents you with a well-renowned booklet named Jinn Resembling Snake, written by Shaykh Tariqat Amir Ahl Sunnat, Damat Barakatuhumul Aliyah, consisting of 26 pages. You will find in this booklet such as A Big-Eyed Man, Satan's Dangerous Attack, A Strange Way of Staying Awake, Glad Tidings for the Qadiris, 16 Rights of the Murshid, and other useful information in addition to all the previously mentioned topics. You may download this booklet from the website of Dawud Islami, www.dawudislami.net. You are requested to buy this booklet from the various branches of Maktabatul Madina and distribute the books published by Maktabatul Madina in marriage ceremonies, tragic events, and congregational events in order to increase goodness in your book of deeds.
सल्लू अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद. मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह.